Do you need a long-lasting, solvent-free and versatile wiper to deal with oil, dirt and debris? Then you need the range of pre-soaked WypAll Cleaning Wipes from Kimberly-Clark Professional. The specifically designed 3-layer fabric cleans quickly, effectively and economically. The textured surface and advanced cleaning agent efficiently break down and dissolve stubborn dirt and grime in one easy step. The absorbent layer soaks up and holds the dirt, preventing it reaching your hands. The smooth surface cleans off any remaining dirt whilst leaving the skin coated with moisturizers. WypAll Cleaning Wipes are safe for hands as they are solvent-free with added moisturizers to reduce skin dryness. A special formulation of natural and essential ingredients helps protect your hands. They are versatile and can be used effectively to clean tools, hands and machinery. As the wipes are pre-soaked, there is no need for water, separate cleansers or cleaning solution. Cleaning wipes from WypAll are ideal for manufacturing, engineering, maintenance, transport and service industries.